In this video, I'm going to review Google Cloud and break down what makes it one of the top cloud platforms for businesses today. Google Cloud offers a range of services, from computing power and data storage to machine learning and artificial intelligence. What sets it apart is its robust infrastructure, which is backed by Google's global network, providing reliability and scalability. It integrates well with other Google products, making it a great choice for companies already using tools like Gmail and Google Workspace. The platform offers powerful data analytics tools like BigQuery and Google Kubernetes Engine for app management. While the pricing structure can be a bit complex, Google Cloud is ideal for businesses looking for flexibility and cutting-edge technology. However, it might not be the best option for smaller companies with limited cloud needs due to the learning curve and cost. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.